up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija and on this channel we focus on hair, beauty and the lifestyle. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our community. In today's video we are back with another tutorial from Ywigs, and again they got us going outside the box. Today we're featuring their 16-inch micro loop hair extensions, and this is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So we received 3 bundles of their Microloop hair extension. These are all 16 inches. This is the Yaki straight in the natural color, of course. And as I said, they got us reaching outside the box because we've never done Microloops before, and we're about to do them today. And they sent us everything we need. We got the tools right here. We got the tools, and also they got the loops on, which makes it way more easier. I think we can actually install these by hand. So we received 3 bundles of their 16-inch Yaki straight micro loop hair extension. This is what it's looking like. This is it. If you want to get these micro loops, the link will be in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Ywigs, their website will also be in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. So this is how they actually came. It came with the loop on already, so it's easy for you to just pull it through over the hair, which is really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. First thing I'm about to do is to actually section my hair. I think I want to do like a cute style in the front. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in half, and then we come back to the front later. Okay guys, so I am finally finished. It took me like 5 hours to get this right, but I'm finished with the back, and this is the vibes. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the vibes. Took me around 5 hours to get this done, and I'm not kidding. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my hair, but again today we're featuring Ywigs, and this is their 16-inch micro loop hair extension. If you want to get these, the link will be in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is what it's looking like. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my hair. Alright guys, so I just finished the front of my hair. I'm about to flat iron it, but this is the vibes. And I only used 2 bundles out of the 3 that we received. I only ended up using 2. So this is it. Still have 1 bundle right here. This is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair and blend this in a little bit more. But this is the vibes. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my hair. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I ended up using 2 bundles, but this is it. This is the vibes. It is blended. Once again, today's video is sponsored by Ywigs, and this is their 16-inch micro loops hair extensions, and this is the vibes. This is the finished look. This is it. The link for this product will be down in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Ywigs, their website will also be in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.